Good morning, everyone. I'm Daria Filardo. I'm an art historian and a contemporary art curator, and I will introduce you the Curatorial Arts Master at IED. The objective of the course is to form the 21st century curator figure, both giving a solid background, theoretical background, as well as hands-on experience in creating an exhibition from its ideation to its realization. To be a creator today is to be a producer of culture, to be a producer of knowledge, of visual knowledge, through the realization of this delicate organism, which is the exhibition, in which the artwork lives in a constant tension between itself and the space that it inhabits, whether it is a more institutional space like a museum or a more unconventional space in reality or any other form of hybridation. The course examines the theory and the practice of curating, covering cultural and museum studies along with field training in exhibition making, as well as an in-depth perspective on public program and on the activity of writing and publishing, which are so important for the figure of the curator. The restricted number of students gives the master a workshop-based experience and give very important, long-lasting professional relationship between the professors and the students. The methodology of the course is divided in lecture plan that includes a theory-based lesson and lab activities, gallery, museums, and studio visit to the studio of the artist, as well as individual research and project development. An intense part of the master is the final project, which is the realization, individual and collective, of an exhibition in partner with the most prominent art institutions in the city. The course is structured in 3 parts. The first provides a more theoretical study of art history, exhibition making, and critical debates of our time, understanding the different ways curation can be approached, whether it's on a thematic exhibition or in a conventional and institutional museum, or if it's performance-based type of curating or participatory. So very varied possibilities of creation. The second part of the master is dedicated to the different highlights and skills that are needed to be a curator. So from communication, management skills, and all these are provided, as every discipline is and subject is taught by professionals, so by art historians and curators, which have institutional and independent experience both on a national and international level. The third part is again the final project, which is a very intense experience in creating from an idea to its realization a full exhibition. To be a curator today is to be part of a very wide nectar of producer of knowledge, and be part of a way of synthesizing and read and narrate reality in our visual world. The relations which are built within the network are the base then the student will use to be known and promote themselves in the professional field. So curators of other museums, of galleries, other critics, and so on, publishers, and so on. And the figure of the curator is also very needed in the field of production of knowledge at large. So to be a curator today is to be part of a larger intellectual and as well as cultural sphere.